Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install LocalSend on Android TV. Now, to do this, you're going to need a browser. So, the first thing to do is open apps and go to the browser of choice. I'm going to Google. So, under Google, I'm going to search for LocalSend. All you need to do is type in LocalSend, see suggestions, and right there's this one from localsend.org. I want you to choose the one from Google.com. So play the google.com, store apps details. This is the link you want. So click on the LocalSend from there, and you find this install button right here. Click on this button to install it. Be patient and wait for installation to complete. This may take you a couple of seconds to maybe a minute, or depending on your internet connection. So if your connection speed is good, a couple of seconds and you'll be done. Or you just have to be patient for maybe a minute or so. So immediately the download is complete, this app will be automatically installed to your Android TV. Just be patient and wait for it to be installed. When it's installed, you find it in your app library. From there you could access it easily and make use of the app. So that's it about installing that app. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.